Right now.
Oh, then shut up.
Sorry.
Don't tell them away that's worth value.
Ow, sorry.
Yeah. Don't ever let it happen.
Alright, I'm going to try to do a little bag dump. This is my EDC bag that I carry in the car. I bought it on Temu for $6. It's not made bad. I'll do the outside first. Little toolbox, little tin I keep some tools in, some drill tips, 10mm socket, extension for my Leatherman, a few other odds and ends if you can see. There you go. That better? Never know when you need that stuff. In this pocket I just keep all my first aid, water key, in case I need to get some water. Alright. This is a finger ratchet. That's a driver, that's self-explanatory. Rechargeable flashlight. A Leatherman. You never have too many of these. What else we got in here? We got a lighter for fire. Got a multi-tool. And another multi-tool. And on this side we got some duct tape. And three kinds of phone cords for charging phones. A C, a micro, and an Apple. But that's it. That's my bag dump. And I got my little towel in here for cleaning glasses. That's my EDC bag dump for the car. Appreciate you stopping by.